Whether you're an expert, a hobbyist, or just passionate about sharing knowledge, launching an online course can be a great way to reach a wider audience and make an income while doing what you love. In this video, you will learn step by step how to launch an online course. Step 1 is picking the right topic for your course. Think about what people often ask you for advice on. Are there topics where you've got experience, knowledge, or insights that could help others? But before you dive in, it's smart to do a bit of research. Check out online learning platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. See what's trending in your niche and read through reviews to see what learners love and what they wish they could see more of. Create a simple survey and share it with your audience, friends, or on social media. Use tools like Google Trends or Answer the Public to see if people are actively searching for answers in your course topic. Creating a solid structure for your course makes it easy for students to follow along and keeps them engaged from start to finish. Each section should tackle a big theme or a main idea related to your topic. Each lesson should cover one key point and be focused and actionable. You want your lessons to be bite-sized but packed with value. Finally, you'll want to create an introductory module to introduce yourself, what students will learn, and why it matters. With your content structured, it's time to start creating. A quiet room with natural lights works wonders. If you're using your smartphone, that's totally okay. Just make sure that the lighting is good and that your audio is clear. Run through each lesson a couple of times before filming. Also, feel free to pause and redo if needed. Look directly at the camera, smile, and speak like you're talking to a friend. You can use slides, animations, or visual aids to make your content more engaging and help students better understand your points. Once your course is ready, it's time to choose where to host it. Udemy is great for beginners. Teachable lets you create a branded course site and you keep more of the profits. Skillshare is more community-driven and you earn based on watch time. Each platform has different fees, so compare to see what fits your goals. Pricing is super important. Do a bit of research to see what similar courses are charging. You want your price to reflect the value students will get, but don't go overboard. Offer a lower price at launch to attract your first students and build momentum. If you plan on creating multiple courses, offer a discounted bundle. Alright, now for the exciting part, launching. Share behind-the-scenes content, sneak peeks, and benefits of the course. Get people excited. Offer a limited time discount to encourage early enrollments. Share valuable snippets from your course on social media platforms, collaborate with influencers, or use paid ads if that's within your budget.